Hello guys, welcome to a new video from Barcelona, one of a museum upstairs there. Let me show you around. It's really huge and so beautiful. The building is amazing. Wow, look at that. It's really cool. So beautiful, historical, and look at the architecture. Wow, now it's under maintenance. Somehow some parts they are doing some maintenance, but this looks cool. And here are four pillars. Wow, I don't know what is these four all about, but it looks cool. And here you can see the view of city. Yeah, this way is city view. It's amazing. Best thing is it's sunny. It's a sunny day, so it's amazing. View from here is the view. Yeah, this is water fountain, I believe so. Yeah, school view from there. I'm walking to the bus point. I want to go to another point. Oh. It is nice view. Quite huge. Top on the mountain hill. Flowers, gardens, trees, clean and nice and beautiful city of Spain, Barcelona. Excavator are everywhere and they are keep running is fine, even going up or down, both way. Mostly everywhere I have found it, so it's quite good if somebody is tired or having senior person with along traveling. So this is really good. No need to worry, no need to go up by steps, just go by excavator. That's cool thing about Barcelona. I've not traveled to any other city of Spain, so I'm not really sure about it. Quite nice. Alright guys, so my bus point is just nearby. we will stop this video here and see you in the next video. Keep watching. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye.